So, Mr. Peebles, a couple of just update and a couple of questions. So we have your steering just about figured out, and we got a new piece in today. We needed this piece to go to fasten the end of the cable. If the end of the cable fastens into this, and then this fastens into this bracket, and then we also purchased the tie rod up here to tie these two together, tie your two engines together. And so we've also fastened your stainless steel tank back down, being that it's not going to be used anyway. Let's see, other questions. There was a bow light in with the stuff that came with this. Let's see here. There's a bow light in here and a horn. So I didn't know if you wanted to have the bow light installed. This is an aftermarket bow light. I don't think there was anything necessarily original about this. This is not in very good condition. As you can see, the red lens is pretty well, and the green lens even is pretty well shot. The chrome is shot. I can purchase a replica of this, similar to this, for like 20-25 bucks if you want to put that on. We also have a siren, I believe, and I didn't know if you wanted those mounted and a battery installed so that the kids would have something to beep was in your parades. Also, I was curious if you want to have the controls mounted. And the reason I asked that question, and also if you want to have this looks like a speedometer. Oh, this is an RPM gauge. If you want gauges installed and switches installed, and also this is the control. Now, for dual motors, there's actually a different controller for dual motors. So I didn't know if you wanted us to try to stack these together and install these so you on the boat, or if you would like just to have them left off the boat, since the boat's not going to be operable anyway, at least not with these engines. So just give me an update on what your expectation is on that, and we'll make sure we fulfill it. Thank you.